Good morning, everybody. In Year 2, good morning, Yaxi. Good morning, Yarra class. Welcome to another week of home learning. I hope you're all okay and well and having a nice time. Now, our literacy unit for this week, you might have read this book. I've definitely got a copy in Yarra class, and I think Yaxi might have one too. It's called The Fox and the Star, and it's a lovely book with amazing illustrations. So if you can have a look online at the book, you might be able to find some lovely pictures from it. And I'm going to show you a page from the book. I don't think it's the first one, but one of the pages from the book. And there's lots of lovely activities that you can do about it. So let's have a look at the page. So I'll read you the writing on it. It says, "Because Fox was small and the trees reached far higher than the tips of his ears, he was timid and afraid to stray far from his den. And yet, for as long as Fox could remember, he would wake at night to the cool, calm light of Star." So we can see Fox in this picture. We can't see Star, I don't think. It's talking about him waking to the light of Star, which must mean that he is a creature that comes out at night. I wonder if you remember what that's called. We've done it in science this year in Year 2. So, a couple of the activities that you're going to do this week. The first day, like normal, is lots of talking about the picture, lots of talking about the book. You could find a picture of the front cover on the internet, see what you think. Day 2, I was particularly excited about day 2 on Tuesday's activities. It's talking about looking at the sky out of your window. What do you think Fox would see when he looks up out of the forest into the sky? He sees Star. So what might that look like if you were in a forest and on the floor and you're looking up? What might you see? You might see the trees. What might you see through the gaps in the trees that you see there? So have a think about that. I thought you could take some photos of the night sky. You could take some photos during the day, maybe at different times in the day. Take some photos up at the sky, see how they differ, see what you can see at different times of the day. Maybe in the evening you could take a few different ones. Obviously it's lighter in the evenings now that it's summer. So you might take a photo when you're just having your dinner. You could take another one when you're just about to have your bath. Maybe one just before you go to bed. And you could ask a parent to take one more when it's really dark and see how it looks different from before when you were awake. It also suggests that you do some drawings of what you could see. So I'd love to see some different drawings of what you see when you look up at the sky. You might decide to take some photos or do a drawing outside in the forest. You might go to a forest or just the park and stand under some trees and see what you can see in the sky through the gaps. So day 2, I'm looking forward very much to what you come up with. Now, day 3 is about a special friend. So The Fox and the Star, you'll find out if you've read this book, or you might know this one, are special friends. They're kind of lifelong friends. And I thought this was a lovely activity because we're all missing our friends so much. You might have been lucky enough to see your friends by now in a park or just on the street if they live nearby. So I thought this activity was particularly nice. It's about writing a letter to a friend. It could just be a postcard, actually. You don't have to write a long letter. And actually, even on postcards, you can draw pictures and things like that. So it would just be really lovely if you sent a postcard or a letter to a friend in Yarra or Yangtze class, a friend in another year group, a friend who doesn't even go to Lyndhurst. Could be another adult, could be an aunt or an uncle or a grandparent, just somebody that you're missing and telling them what makes them a special friend to you, or just a drawing and telling them what you've been up to. So I thought those activities would be particularly nice, seeing as we're all still missing everybody. So Mr. Peddle and I would also love to get letters or emails or postcards or anything. And we're both going to be in school a lot more, so you could post things to school for us to see. We'd love to see what you come up with and hear about how you're doing. So I hope you have a lovely week and enjoy all your learning. Please get in touch if you want to, if you just want to say hello, or if you've got a question. We'd love to hear from you. Okay, Hope you have a lovely week. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.